Hello everyone, welcome to EatFluencers. I don't know about you, but I really love fresh spicy chilies. And what I love even more is spicy hot sauces. But they tend to be a bit expensive. So join me today while I show you a fast and easy way to make your own sauces at home. Since we are making two separate recipes, we are going to use two different chilies, the Scotch bonnet and the jalapeno peppers. But first, let's see our total list of ingredients. We are going to need a handful of jalapeno, a handful of yellow Scotch bonnets, some sea salt, some garlic powder, one large sweet white onion or two medium-sized ones, 3 garlic cloves, and half a cup of distilled vinegar for each sauce. We are also going to need one fresh mango and one whole pineapple. Let's start with the jalapeno pineapple sauce. Prepare your pineapple by cutting the stem and the bottom off. Place it upright and using your knife, starting from the top, carve the peel away following the shape of the pineapple. Try not to cut very deep, otherwise you will lose much of the delicious flesh. The center core of the pineapple is not edible, so cut the outer soft part and chop it into small slices. And that's it, that's all the preparation you need to do for this sauce. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and without using any kind of oil, place your pineapple in the skillet. Grill it until you get those beautiful golden brown scoring lines that will add so much flavor in our sauce. When the pineapple is done, go ahead and slice up one onion and place it in the skillet along with your jalapenos. Grilling the onion will take away the edginess and will make it sweeter. The same goes for the jalapenos. Don't overdo it with the grilling, 5 to 10 minutes is enough. We want the sauce to be as fresh as possible. When the onions and the jalapeno are done, take everything off the heat and let them rest for a minute or so. Remove the stems of the peppers and put everything into your food processor. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of sea salt and half a cup of vinegar. Blend until everything is as smooth or as chunky as you like, and your first sauce is ready to go. It will last up to 2 weeks in the fridge. And now let's go over our Scotch bonnet mango hot sauce. First, prepare the chilies by removing the stems and roughly cutting them to small pieces. If you want a less spicy version, you can remove the seeds and the white membrane in this step. The easiest way to peel a mango is to use a peeling tool. Using a knife can be very tricky because the mango flesh is a bit slippery. If you find it difficult to handle, then hold it by using a kitchen paper towel. Once again, the core part of the mango is not edible, so work your way around to get all the good stuff. Once you have it, chop it up to thumb-sized chunks. Do the same with the onion and the garlic cloves and roughly chop them up to small pieces. Once everything is ready, place a cooking pan over medium heat and add a splash of oil, just to get things started. Add your chopped onion and garlic in the pan and a pinch of salt and stir them constantly until they turn glossy but without getting darker in color. At this point, add your mango and the Scotch bonnet chilies. Add half a cup of vinegar and add enough water so that everything is just about covered. Turn the heat down to low and cover the pan. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 15 minutes, the mango should be soft enough for the next part, so remove the pan from the heat and add everything to your food processor. I have to say that the liquid is very hot, so be careful while handling it. blend until everything is smooth, pass it through a fine strainer to get rid of any chunky bits, and your second sauce is ready to go as well. It will keep in the fridge longer because everything has been cooked. I would say for about a month. In just under an hour, we have 2 homemade sauces, very easy to make and very flavorful, and definitely better than the store-bought ones. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Also, if you try the recipes, leave a comment and tell me which one you liked most. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.